Hi there, this is Nikki Laoye, okay? This is something that I've been working on low-key for a while now, but I'm doing it in a different way this time around, and it's called Found by Nikki Laoye, hashtag Found by Nikki Laoye. If it's cool, if it's great, I'll find it and share it with you on Found by Nikki Laoye. And today, guess what I found? All the way from Samsung UK, it's the Galaxy Z Flip 3 phone! Yes, it's the phone that everyone has been waiting for. What does it look like? What does it do? Is the camera great? I know you have so many questions. Don't worry, I'll be answering them for you right here on Found by Nikki Laoye. Right here, I have the lavender one, but it comes in different colors, so you can get them in cream, you can get it in different colors. There's actually the pink, the different colors, but this is the lavender, and this is 256 gig, 8 gig RAM, and I'm gonna show you all the amazing features of this great phone, especially the camera, and of course the folding nature of the phone, because guess what? We are ready to unfold our world. Are you ready to unfold your world? It's about that time right here on Found by Nikki Laoye with the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 phone. All right, stick around and I'll show you what this phone looks like and what it can do in a bit. Don't go anywhere. All right, and this is the very first look at the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Come on, let's unbox. All right, so there you have it, and the phone right there. Let's put that aside and see what else we have in the box. And of course, right here we'll have the USB cable. There is no charger head, by the way, because you have to get that on your own. I'm sure you have lots of that in your houses. Yep. And of course, we also have the quick start guide, the warranty card, and of course, there's also the pin for you to open your SIM tray. And that's all we have right here in the box. And we just have a quick look at what the phone looks like. All right, so we fold it up and this is what it looks like. Yay! This is the lavender color, obviously, and you can see what it looks like all around. So right here, we just have the SIM tray right here, and then we have the power button and the volume button. And of course, we have the screen right there, which you can use to take selfies and read your notifications. I'll be showing you a bit of what that looks like in a bit. And of course, the charging port and all of that. And that's just what the phone looks like. Of course, when it folds, it's like this, and it can sit on its own. Yep. And of course, you can do lots and lots with it. And that is just a quick look at the phone, and I'll be showing you some other aspects of the phone in a bit. All right, so this is a quick look, of course, at this amazing Galaxy Z Flip 3 phone, and its camera features are just simply amazing as well. So I'll be opening it up right now. Yes, the phone is on, and you have your basic features. Oops, I gotta put in my pin. 1 minute. May you know my pin. Okay, there you have it. You just have your basic, of course, icons right there, and of course, then we go straight to the camera icon. And hi, that's me right there, and the camera is fantastic. I have to tell you guys, it's simply amazing. Now you're seeing my face as I'm talking, and of course you have the typical video, portraits, and I'm telling you, the resolution for this phone is simply fantastic. It's simply amazing. Oops, okay, what just happened right there? Because I lifted up my hand, it actually has the hand motion. So the hand motion actually either starts your video or starts your pictures. So that's just what happened right now. Okay, I'm gonna go back to photo. And of course, if you put up your hand, cheese, it takes a picture. Let me show you what the picture looks like right there. Can you just see that shot? It's simply amazing. Can you check it out? This is so cool. And of course, you can do the video as well. Like that. And of course, another cool thing about the phone is, you know, you can actually take your pictures either in full mode like this, or you can fold the phone and it actually just gives you half of the screen like that. Yeah, half of the screen like that. Okay, I just wanted to show it to you guys. Let me come a little bit closer. Yeah, so you actually have half the screen like that. And of course, the other third way you can take the phone, a picture rather, is when you have your flip closed, you double click on the power button. And there you have it. Yay! You actually can take a picture right there in front. Yes. And of course, it works with the hand movements too. I put my hands up. Cheese. It takes a picture. Or you can actually tap on the screen and it takes a picture when you tap on the screen. And then you can slide between photo and video. And like the same thing I did earlier on, hand movement, and the video starts. Hi, this is Nikki Laoye. How you doing? And you can stop it by tapping on the screen. And of course, you can also tap on the screen to start the video. Yes, you can tap on the screen to start the video, and you can tap on it for the video to stop recording as well. Yes, and the cool thing about this front screen is that you can actually use it to get your notifications when your messages are coming, when music is playing. Can you see what happens when you slide across your alarms, your voice recorder, your timer? And you can add other widgets. So you can actually place whatever widgets you want right there in the front screen for easy access to your messages and everything that you need with the phone. So the phone is really a very cool, handy phone. And of course, I just wanted to show you a quick look at just simple basic features that you know you would need on your phone. And of course, the camera is the bomb. Yes, so that's just a quick look at the Galaxy Z Flip 3. And I just wanted to show you right here on Found by Nikki Laoye. Yes, and there you have it. All right, and there you have it. It's the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I'm sure you guys have seen what it looks like. All the features are simply amazing. It's cool, it's trendy, it's portable. You can get it in different colors. And of course, you can just slip it into your pocket or slip it into your bag. And you can just have a great time taking your pictures and doing your videos anywhere and anyhow you like it just by folding it. It doesn't need a mobile stand. You can just do anything with it at any time. All right, so I've been able to show you the features right here on Found by Nikki Laoye. Remember, if it's cool, if it's great, I'll find it and I'll share it with you. So till I catch you next time with something else that is cool and great to share on Found by Nikki Laoye, let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy Z Flip 3 phone. Yes, Found by Nikki Laoye. Yes, I found it.
Oh.